what you would expect out of the offense?
I tell you what, like I always say, we play our best defense when our offense is on the field, usually, and they were rolling today. There was a lot of kids that played very well. Our offense was rolling. It makes it easy when we play like that. I learned a long time ago, you better take every win and be happy with it. We gave up more yards than I'm sure a lot of people would like, myself included, but the bottom line is we won by 49 points, so we'll take it and run.
Yeah, well, you also got a chance to play a lot of
guys.
Yeah,
we played a ton of guys. We played a ton of kids. I think everybody that was eligible to play played at least a significant amount, or at least 10 to 15 plays.
Can you tell us about like how the week was with Chip, and you talking with Kiko and Cliff about when they're going to come back and how they're going to come back?
There really wasn't a whole lot of discussion about it. It was, how were they going to work all week, what they were going to do all week to deserve to be back, and obviously they earned the right to be back. I never went to Chip and say, hey, are these guys going to play for us this week? I just wait and see what he says. But I think that he gave me an indication early that they were going to be able to at least suit up. How much they would play or if they would get a chance to play was up to them. And so obviously they did a good enough job to get a chance to get in the game.
But as Chip mentioned, it's not just because they're back they get handed the starting job again.
No. They're not starters.
Yeah.
They got to earn that.
Your thoughts on Cliff? I guess at some point when we might see him return a punt again, because Mark Helfrich he's a little nervous having LaMichael back there.
I think that's totally up to two people. Cliff, who controls his actions, and Chip, who runs the show. Best answer I can give you.
No question. The challenge keeping your guys up this week for Missouri State, or is it now that they've got a taste of this, they're just going to feed off this and keep rolling?
I hope winning is a special thing, and it's hard to come by. And you see Sac State beat Oregon State last year. You see stuff like that happen all the time. It'll be business as usual for us. There'll be no letdown by the coaches. We'll make sure that there's a constant effort to keep coaching the guys hard and have them run to the ball, and I think they get that. I think they know that we have to get better, plus I think they know what it's all about. So I'm not going to say anything about that. Hopefully they'll take control in their own hands. Being self-policed is always the best way to have a football team. If we could self-police ourselves, we'll have a good chance. Thanks.